Print on demand gets called dead all the time, but honestly, that's only true if you're doing it the way most people currently are. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to launch a print on demand brand from scratch using the exact same methods I would use if I was starting over today. We'll go ahead and take a look at some other stores, validate current winning products, build a brand step by step, use AI for all of our designs and mockups. We'll find the right supplier and then we'll launch our ads without overcomplicating anything. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to build a profitable print on demand store. So if you've ever been overwhelmed by print on demand or felt like you missed the wave, this video is for you. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. So let's just go over some quick examples of some successful print on demand stores right now. This one right here is called God Merch, and they're a general store in the dropshipping niche. And you guys can see they don't have any specific niche. They sell wedding products, 4th of July, summer, religious, Halloween, and so on. Here's some of their best sellers right here. Some designs you've probably seen in the past. They have your typical family shirts, husband, dad, papa. They have their grandma shirts. Just all these different print on demand designs that are super popular right now. And these are all of their best sellers. Then we also have this brand Cali right here. We can take a look at all of their tops. We'll sort it by their best sellers as well. So these are all their best selling print on demand designs right now. And you can rip any of these. So here's another very popular store in the mom niche, Gifty Mama. And these are all print on demand designs related to motherhood, which is a very popular and growing niche right now. And then finally, we have this outdoor brand right here selling all of these different outdoor and animal style shirts. So you can sort by forest, wildlife, aquatic, bird watching, bison, or western. So a really good way to find print on demand brands just like this is to go on the Facebook ads library and type in search terms like cute shirt, shirt design, or anything that these brands would be advertising. That's how I found all the brands we just went over. Scroll through here and you're gonna find a ton of print on demand stores. But by far the easiest and the best way to find the hottest print on demand designs right now is to go on a product research tool like Zik. We're gonna select their store finder over here on the left hand side. For the store type, we'll select print on demand, and right here under revenue, we'll type in a minimum of, let's say, $10,000. We'll go ahead and click search. So right now we're looking at all these print on demand stores that are making at least $10,000 a month. Most of them, as you guys can see right here, are making significantly more. This one's making $15,000, this one's making $200,000, $151,000. This brand's making $800,000 a month. So as you guys can see right here, this is one of the best ways to find winning products right now. And you can open up any of these brands that you want to and take a closer look at them. So this brand specializes specifically in the paint by number. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of their best sellers right here. So for obvious reasons, this custom one right here is this brand's best performer. I guarantee you that's where they're getting the bulk of their sales right now, especially because this one has over 200 reviews and everything else has 14, 17, 27. So that's another really good product you guys could focus on. Going back to Zik, let's go ahead and take a look at that brand that's doing 800,000. Okay, so they sell a little bit of everything. They have home goods, they have furniture, they have apparel. Obviously, we're focused specifically on apparel right now. So let's go ahead and take a look there. Okay, and here's some of their best performing print on demand products. There's really not much that goes into this. Some of these mockups are really bad, and honestly, these designs really aren't the greatest. But obviously, the $800,000 a month isn't only coming from these, especially when they sell furniture and home decor and everything else. So let's take a look at another brand. We'll take a look at Allegiant Goods Co. They're doing about $236,000 a month. Okay, and this brand specializes in outdoor apparel as well. They have different teams, national parks, theme parks, historic plays. Okay, they kind of sell a little bit of everything. They don't have one specific niche on here. But this is another really good example of a good print on demand brand. So go through a bunch of different examples, whether you're looking on the Facebook ads library or you're pulling them up on Zik, and find which niches are making the most amount of money and where other brands are focused on right now. So obviously from what we've seen, couples, pets, outdoors, and anything related are some of the best niches to sell in. So narrow it down and pick a niche that you're passionate about. For this example, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the outdoors niche. So let's go ahead and build our brand. Okay, so now we're gonna come up with a brand name and logo and then build our actual store. To start, we can move over to an AI tool like ChatGPT. And for the prompt, I said, give me 25 unclaimed brand names to use for an outdoor niche print on demand Shopify store selling things like national park shirts and state hoodies. We'll see what it comes up with. But go ahead and give it all the background on your niche, what kind of products you want to sell, and everything you have in mind going forward. And make sure you specify that these names need to be unclaimed. Okay, so I like a lot of these. We have Trailmark Co., Summit and State, Wild Acre, Parkbound. I'm not sure if any of these are actually taken or not. Make sure you double check everything because sometimes ChatGPT gives me obviously taken brand names. But since this is an outdoor brand, let's go with Frontier Thread. I really like that one. So next we want to come up with a high quality logo. You're going to plug a similar prompt into ChatGPT with your new brand name. I said, I choose Frontier Thread. Give me a high quality 4K 1:1 square detailed and creative brand logo on a blank white background that I can use for this business. We'll see what it comes up with, but obviously the more specific you are with your prompts, the better results you're gonna get. So feed as much information into ChatGPT as you can for the best outputs possible. Wow, and just like that, it made this logo right here. It's super vintage, it matches our niche, and this is perfect for our brand. But if you don't like the one it comes up with, you can regenerate this as many times as you want to, go back and refine your prompt until you have something just like this to use. But this right here is perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and set up our Shopify store. Shopify will let you create an account for just $1 a month to get started. That way you can build your store and start making sales before you have to pay for anything. So I'll leave a link for you guys down below so you can get started and follow along. All right, so when you first log into Shopify, you're taken to your dashboard right here. To get started, we're gonna go over here on the left-hand side under products. Now you guys don't have to have any designs or products in mind just yet, but you do wanna have an idea of what collections you wanna offer. So click on collections right here and go ahead and add a new collection. Now, depending on what niche you're in, you can add a bunch of different sub niches on here. So you can start with like your best sellers, which is pretty obvious. But since I'm selling outdoor products, I'll go ahead and type in national parks for this collection. You can create an image on ChatGPT if you want to, but I'm just gonna go ahead and click save. Now, any national park products I would add to my store, I would go ahead and add to this collection right here. We'll go back to all of our collections and we'll go ahead and add one more. We'll call this one animals since we're selling in the outdoor niche. We'll go ahead and save this one as well. We'll go back to our collections one more time and let's go ahead and just add one more. We'll call this one states for the different state designs. So now that we have our collections and different product categories narrowed down, let's go ahead and design our actual website. Let's edit our theme. Go over here on the left-hand side to where it says online store. Right here under themes is where you can select your theme. If you have a premium theme, you can go ahead and upload it right here, or you can choose any of the other free ones offered by Shopify. Honestly, the horizon is all you need when you're first getting started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click edit theme. Now from here, we're gonna start by changing our logo to the one that we made on ChatGPT. Click your logo, click theme settings right here. For your default logo, you're gonna go ahead and upload that image. There's our Frontier Threads logo right there. We'll go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. Let's go ahead and change our announcement bar right here as well. We'll say something like winter sale, 50% off plus free shipping, but you can say anything that you want to right here. You guys can edit your actual menu in Shopify under navigation, but right here you want a home page, you want a shop now, you want a contact us page, you want to track my order page, you want an about us page, and anything else you guys want to include. To do that, go back to Shopify, click on content over here on the left-hand side, click menus. That'll be your main menu right here. For catalog, just change the name of that to shop now. You'll add a menu item. You're gonna go ahead and create an about us page later on. And same for track my order. You'll go ahead and install an app so that all of your customers can track their orders. So going back to the theme editor, this is what it looks like now. Everything looks really nice and clean. And make sure you're saving all of your progress as you go. That way you don't lose anything. So from here, you'll design a really nice hero shot image for your homepage. You can do all of that on ChatGPT as well. Then under here, you can put some of your best performing products. You can add different collections like we just created. And you guys can just add some featured collections down here. So we could put our best sellers right here, our outdoor collection right here, our state collection right here, our animal collection. And make sure you have a really nice high quality cover image for each collection that you highlight. Just build a really nice and professional looking homepage. Honestly, don't spend more than an hour on this because all of your selling is done on the landing page or your product page. So later on, we'll come up with some really nice mockups and write high quality descriptions for every product we're gonna add. So let's go ahead and add our first products to our store. So I'll go back to this brand that we were just taking a look at, the one that's doing around $300,000 a month. I'm gonna take a look at their national parks collection because this is one that I actually offer on my own store now. So some of their best performing designs designs are Yosemite, Mount Rainier, Acadia, Everglades, Joshua Tree. This is actually one of my favorite parks right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one. There's so many different ways to come up with these designs. Number one, you can just buy popular designs on places like Etsy. Number two, if you're an artist, you can just come up with your own. And number three, the easy way that everybody's doing right now is to just have AI design everything for you. Like, look at this right here. I said, create a high quality vintage and Western print on demand design to use for a Joshua Tree National Park shirt. Now, obviously you want to be a lot more specific and detailed with your prompts. Like, you should be feeding in multiple paragraph prompts into each one of these designs, but I just did this to move quickly, and look how high quality this looks already. So now we're gonna go ahead and take that design and create some high quality mockups also using AI. I said, now create a photorealistic mockup of a young man wearing that shirt in an outdoor hiking setting at Joshua Tree. Attention is centered and focused around the actual shirt. Perfect for a Shopify product page. High quality 4K design, 1:1 square, detailed and creative final output. Let's see what it comes up with. Now you could stop there and just download your designs and throw them on your own mockups. I actually have over 150,000 mockups for you guys to get started if you want them. Just go ahead and comment mockup down below and I'll send you the file. But just like that, in less than 30 seconds, we have our first product and a high quality photo mockup to use for our website. Look how good this looks. This is one of the best mockups I've seen in a long time. So we'll download that. We'll download our design above. But now we need to create a couple different color variants. So just plug that right into ChatGPT as well. You can say things like, I want a white shirt design, I want a red shirt design, yellow shirt, blue shirt, whatever colors you want to offer. I don't recommend offering more than 5 or 6 colors because a lot of times customers will get something called decision fatigue. If you guys offer too many colors, like 15 or 20 colors, they can't decide and then they leave the product page without making any decision. It gets stressful for them. But just like that, we have this same design now in white. Look how good this looks. I could just leave it black and white and move on to my product page, but just for a quick example, let's go ahead and make it an army green as well. Wow, I'm actually glad I did that because look how good this looks. And you guys can do this for any color t-shirt, hoodie, or whatever else you sell. So we'll download this design as well. And let's go ahead and add them to our Shopify store. So let's move back to Shopify, click on products over here on the left-hand side, and we're gonna go ahead and add our first product. Go ahead and give it a name. We'll call this Joshua Tree National Park shirt. Go ahead and upload all of those mockups we just made. For category, selected t-shirts. For the pricing right here, let's go ahead and put it as $24.99. We're not going to track our inventory because this is print on demand. We have unlimited inventory. You guys can add all of your color variants and options down here. So we'll start by selecting color. Then you'll go ahead and add all of the colors that we created. So we got black, green, and white. We'll go ahead and add another option. Right here, you're going to select size and add all the different size options that you offer. So a lot of times I like to do extra small all the way up to 2 or 3XL. And then right here under the variants, you're gonna go ahead and select each color and you're gonna pair it up with each image over here on the left-hand side. That way everything flows nicely. So we have all of our different options selected over here. Right here under search engine listing, this is where you configure all of your SEO or your search engine optimization. Doing this correctly will help you rank higher on search engines like Google. That way customers can find your products organically without any marketing. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and I'll say, give me a good meta title and description for this shirt. So we'll go ahead and copy those right here, paste that into Shopify, same thing for our meta description. And hopefully by targeting these keywords, we can have customers find our products just organically. Now let's go back up to the top, and this is by far one of the most important parts, writing your description. We'll go back to ChatGPT and I'll say, write a high quality, detailed description for this product page. We'll see what it comes up with. So I really like this already. We'll go ahead and copy all of this. We'll paste that back into Shopify, and just like that, we have our first product added. You can do this for any popular design out there that you come across. So go ahead and populate your collections. Go ahead and add shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, or any other product you want to sell that relate to each one of these collections. That way you can go ahead and finish your homepage and launch your website. And you guys can go back to these examples from earlier to take a look at their homepages. So they have a really nice hero image right here, all of their collections, some of their popular products, popular markets, shop by state. So this brand is really creative with their homepage. Go ahead and do that for all of the examples you come across. That way you truly understand what needs to go into each homepage you design. Like, look how good some of these homepages look. And this is just for a simple print-on-demand store. So spend some time designing your website, but don't spend too much time on this. And honestly, if you guys really want to, you can have AI design the entire thing for you. So now that we already have our store and our products added to it, we need to find a high quality print-on-demand print-on-demand supplier. This is somebody that can fulfill all of our custom orders as they come in. So right now we want to be looking for cheap product cost, fast shipping, high quality, and no hidden fees. Let's go over a few examples. Now, honestly, two of the most popular print-on-demand suppliers out there right now are Printful and Printify. Although I think both of these companies are owned by the same brand. Now, these sites offer things like t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, hoodies, clothing, stickers, phone cases, candles, bags, posters, and so on. So you can really sell any type of product you want to. Now, these are great options when you're first getting started. I actually use these both myself, but the one complaint I do have is that costs are very high. The pricing on these two websites are very high and it will eat into your margins. So I recommend going with a private supplier that also offers print-on-demand options as well. And luckily, the supplier that I use for all of my own brands actually has a really good print-on-demand catalog. And that would be TeemDrop. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So when you first log in, you're taken to their homepage right here. You can find products that are sourced from TeemDrop suppliers, 1688 suppliers, or even products on Taobao. And you're gonna find a lot of nice clothing products on here already. But if you guys want custom print-on-demand options, go over here on the left-hand side where it says POD or print on demand and go ahead and select print on demand products. Now, when you sign up for TeemDrop, they go ahead and assign you your own dedicated account agent. This is somebody that works with you one-on-one to source any product you need them to. So if you don't see a product on here, you can reach out to your agent and they'll go ahead and find it for you. But go ahead and scroll through here and find any products that you need to. But go ahead and scroll through here and find any products you want to sell. They'll have your normal print-on-demand products like t-shirts and hoodies, but they're also going to have specialty items like necklaces and jewelry and even these custom plaques. You guys can find a lot of high quality products this way. Now, the best part is all you have to do is sign up for TeemDrop and link your store, and they'll source these products for you based on the products that are already on your store. So let's say I started making sales on that Joshua Tree shirt tomorrow. My agent would reach out to me, source that shirt, and go ahead and start fulfilling it for me. That way I can get it delivered in just 8 days or less. And you guys can see how the entire process works down here. You're gonna go ahead and select the products you wanna sell. You're gonna go ahead and design everything right on TeemDrop, save your designs, and you guys can see more information about their shipping times down here. They actually have global warehouses, so they can source your products in the US, Europe, China, or anywhere you need to. And as you guys can see right here, over 93% of their packages are delivered in just 8 days or less. They have their 8-day guarantee. And if any of your packages aren't, they'll go ahead and refund your shipping fees. So this is by far one of the best print-on-demand suppliers to work with right now. So I'll go ahead and leave a link for them down below in case you want to try them out. But let's go ahead and get ready to launch some ads around this product. So we can go back to ChatGPT and we can actually have it make some high quality image ads for us. I said, now create a high quality 1-to-1 square 4K meta ad to use to promote this Joshua Tree shirt. Obviously, you want to be a lot more detailed and specific with your prompts, especially when you're making ads like this. But right away, look what it came up with. I really like this. If there's something you didn't like here, like this giant shop now button, you could ask ChatGPT to remove it or add anything you want. But I really like the high quality vintage text. I like this high quality photorealistic design. And you could even add something down here in the corner that says like 5% of proceeds donated. That's definitely a really good way to increase conversions, but only if proceeds are actually donated. Now go ahead and create as many of these designs as you want to for as many products as you want to promote. These AI generated static images should perform very well on both Facebook and Instagram ads. And once you have some money in your pocket from this first campaign, you can start sending these shirts to influencers to create video ads for you. But by now, you found a profitable niche, you built a store around it, you populated that store with some hot trending products, and now we just created some high quality Facebook ads to run. So just like the stores that we came across in the very beginning of this video on the Facebook ads library, you're ready to launch your ads and start making sales. And if you set everything up right, you should start making sales on day one. Now, I have a ton of content on this channel talking about Facebook and Instagram ads, so be sure to watch one of those videos if you truly are a complete beginner and need help setting up one of those campaigns. And of course, I can help you with any of this. Feel free to reach out at any time. If you take away anything from this video, let it be this. Print on demand still works, but you have to treat it like a real business. You don't need hundreds of products or crazy designs, and you definitely don't need to rush. You need a validated niche, a clear message, a good presentation, and the willingness to test products. So if this walkthrough helped you, let me know in the comments below. And if you want me to go deeper on any of these topics, let me know that as well. I also have a ton of tools and resources linked down below for you guys. Don't miss out on any of those. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.